Garlic is considered one of the extremely powerful natural antibiotics, bringing many great effects to human health. However, many people still do not know how to make the most of the benefits that garlic brings. It is important that we understand how to use garlic properly to help treat many diseases and improve quality of life. This is also the main topic that we will explore together. Concept of garlic in disease resistance and treatment. Garlic is a natural food known for its ability to act as a powerful antibiotic. With the main compound allicin, garlic has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. This makes garlic an effective natural treatment for a variety of infections, from mild illnesses like the flu to more complex problems involving the digestive tract and immune system. Garlic not only plays an important role in prevention but also supports the treatment of many diseases. Studies have proven that garlic can reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, lower bad cholesterol and enhance liver function. In particular, in the context of chemical antibiotics sometimes causing side effects or drug resistance, garlic emerges as a natural, safe and effective solution. One of the outstanding properties of garlic is its antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. This makes garlic an effective natural treatment for infections. Meanwhile, conventional antibiotics can only be used to treat specific types of infections, such as bacterial or fungal infections. Garlic has the ability to deal with all three types of microorganisms at the same time, providing maximum effectiveness. This power comes from allicin, the sulfur-containing compound in garlic, which not only provides its characteristic scent but also plays a key role in supporting overall health. However, it is worth noting that the cooking process will significantly reduce the allicin content as well as other active ingredients in garlic, thereby reducing its nutritional value. Therefore, we need to know how to use garlic skillfully to ensure we do not lose the valuable benefits it brings. Below are the two most popular and effective ways to use garlic for maximum benefits. 1. Swallow whole raw garlic cloves. The first method is to swallow whole garlic cloves on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Garlic, when swallowed raw, will not have a negative impact on the stomach but will also help protect the digestive organs. This is especially helpful for people with stomach acid problems or stomach pain. When whole garlic cloves pass through the stomach and reach the intestines, where there is an alkaline environment, it decomposes and releases allicin. Allicin then acts as a powerful antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral agent and helps eliminate parasites and intestinal worms. In particular, allicin also helps reduce inflammation, strengthen the immune system and help control bad cholesterol levels in the body. 2. Use crushed or chewed garlic. Another method is to crush or chew garlic before use. In doing so, the allicin compound is released quickly, providing a number of unique benefits such as stimulating blood circulation, supporting heart health, reducing triglycerides and improving liver function. However, the process of crushing or chewing garlic also somewhat reduces the effectiveness of allicin. However, this method is very effective in helping to burn fat accumulated in the liver and other organs. Combine two methods. To get the most out of garlic, you can combine both uses above. Swallow a clove of raw garlic in the morning on an empty stomach to strengthen the immune system and protect the intestines. Then, use crushed or chopped garlic during lunch or dinner to support blood circulation and burn excess fat. Don't forget to drink plenty of water to aid absorption and reduce the characteristic garlic smell. Garlic is not only a familiar ingredient in cuisine but also a natural medicine with many great health benefits. By using garlic properly, you can significantly improve your overall health, from strengthening your immune system, supporting digestion to protecting heart health. Apply today to feel positive changes in your body. If you find this article useful, do not hesitate to share it with friends and family to spread the health value of garlic.